On YouTube, if you want the best key lime pie, this is where you need to come to. This is the Blond Giraffe Key Lime Pie Factory in Key Largo, Florida, and this is by far, this is the best key lime pie you can get. I've had key lime pie down in Key West and key lime pie all along the Keys, and this is my favorite one at Blond Giraffe Key Lime Pie Factory.
I'm just kidding.
This wasn't working for them anymore. When they moved to Tennessee, and they went to the Kroger's, and then from there they moved here.
No, we're done.
Highly recommend that today. Yes, of course.
We have a garden area outside too, those pretty nice photo walks out there too. Chickens, bunnies.
So the ones without the meringue are $18.25?
They all the whole pies have different prices depending on their topping. It's 18.
This is the little patio area that the Blond Giraffe Key Lime Pie Factory has in the back. Really beautiful area to come and have some key lime pie and some coffee. Talk with a couple of chickens. What's up, man? Guys, here's the pie. And sorry, earlier I said that Blond Giraffe Key Lime Pies is located in Key Largo. It's close to Key Largo, but not quite Key Largo. It's on Tavernier Key. And so here's what the pie looks like. This is the one with the meringue on top. There's another option where you can get it naked, or you can just get it with whipped cream on top. But look at how awesome that pie looks. They definitely make the best key lime pies.